Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Talabat, food, grocery and more, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Talabat is a leading food and grocery delivery app widely used across the Middle East. It connects users to thousands of restaurants, supermarkets, pharmacies, and specialty stores, allowing them to order anything from meals to household essentials, all from a single app. Available on both iOS and Android, Talabat offers real-time order tracking, multiple payment options, and scheduled delivery features that make it a go-to convenience app in many cities. The app's main feature is its wide marketplace integration, which combines food delivery, groceries, and daily essentials into one platform. Users can browse through cuisines, order groceries, track delivery riders live, and even schedule future deliveries. The interface is sleek and easy to navigate, with smart filters to help find restaurants by cuisine, rating, or price range. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Talabat's reliability, fast delivery, and excellent restaurant variety. The grocery delivery feature is especially praised for offering items from major supermarket chains, ensuring convenience without the hassle of visiting stores. The customer support team is also known for being responsive and resolving delivery issues quickly. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional delivery delays during peak hours, as well as higher service fees for small orders. Additionally, store availability and pricing can vary depending on location. In summary, the Talabat app may be worth using if you want a one-stop platform for ordering meals, groceries, and daily essentials quickly and efficiently. However, if delivery charges or limited regional coverage are a concern, you might explore alternatives. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.